Hey, Tech Vibe Nation. Stop right there. Look at the camera you use to capture your life's most insane moments. Is it ready for the next frontier? Because what I'm about to reveal will make every other action camera instantly obsolete. For years, the action camera space has been defined by compromise. Power versus size. Low light quality versus daytime clarity. DJI is about to obliterate that compromise. The Osmo Action 6 is not an update, it's a declaration of war against mediocrity. This isn't just about faster frames. This is about Project Colossus, DJI's covert mission to inject true cinematic quality into a device you can strap to your helmet. Over the next minutes, we're diving deep into the verified leaks that expose the Action 6's monstrous capabilities. You'll hear whispers of a world-first 1-inch sensor in a compact action camera, the shocking leap to native 8K video, and the game-changing variable aperture that finally conquers low-light performance. If you thought you knew what an action camera could do, you are about to witness the dawn of a new era. Get ready, because the action camera world is about to be redefined. Let's cut straight to the most explosive leak, the sensor. Multiple high-level sources confirm the Osmo Action 6 is pushing the boundaries with a rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is a colossal, game-changing upgrade, a sensor size previously unheard of in a compact, rugged action camera. What does this mean for you? True low-light supremacy, the Achilles heel of every action camera, shooting after sundown, is finally conquered. The Action 6 is poised to deliver cleaner, sharper, and more detailed footage in near darkness, rivaling high-end dedicated cameras. 8K native video. Leaks point to 8K at 30 frames per second with 10-bit D-Log-M color. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. 8K gives professional editors incredible flexibility to crop, zoom, and stabilize without losing precious 4K resolution. This is cinematic power in a pocket. Variable aperture. Another huge leak confirms a variable aperture, possibly from f/2.0 to f/4.0. This allows you to control depth of field and, crucially, manage exposure dynamically, a feature essential for pro filmmaking that action cameras have desperately needed. This combination of a massive sensor, 8K resolution, and variable aperture positions the Osmo Action 6 not just as an action camera, but as a genuine miniature cinema camera. Raw image quality is only half the battle. An action camera must perform flawlessly under pressure. Leaks suggest the stabilization system is getting a massive boost to RockSteady 4.0 with advanced AI-driven horizon leveling. This means buttery-smooth footage even during the most chaotic downhill mountain bike runs or high-G aerial maneuvers. To handle the immense heat generated by processing 8K video, sources whisper of an innovative graphene-based cooling system. This is a critical engineering leap that will enable sustained 4K and 8K recording times without the overheating issues that plague competitors. And speaking of endurance, the battery leaks are compelling. We're seeing rumors of a standard and a pro variant, with the larger battery option, up to 1950 mAh, delivering over 4 hours of continuous 4K recording. For all-day adventures, this is a non-negotiable feature, and DJI seems set to deliver. But the real secret weapon? Smartwatch integration. Leaks indicate the Action 6 will pair with devices like the Apple Watch and Garmin for remote control, quick-change presets, and even real-time overlay of metrics like speed, altitude, and heart rate directly onto the video. This is the ultimate tool for athletes and data-driven creators. The Osmo Action series is renowned for its magnetic mounting system, and the Action 6 is rumored to refine this with even stronger, more secure magnets and potentially a new magnetic accessory line. This focus on quick, reliable mounting is essential for action creators who need to swap between gear in seconds. The overall design is expected to remain rugged and waterproof, up to 20 meters without a case, but with slightly larger dual touch screens to improve usability. We're also hearing leaks of 47 gigabytes of built-in storage on the Pro model, providing a crucial buffer for those sudden, unforgettable moments when your memory card is full. So, when can you get your hands on this beast? The latest, most credible leaks point to a launch in late October/November of this year. And the price? Given the premium features, the 1-inch sensor, 8K, variable aperture, the Action 6 is expected to sit in the $329 to $429 USD starting range, possibly with the Pro version pushing higher. Compared to its closest rivals, this is an incredibly disruptive price point for the technology it's packing. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is not just an incremental upgrade. It is a cinematic powerhouse disguised as an action camera. It's the device that finally provides professionals and enthusiasts with uncompromising quality in the world's most versatile form factor. Are you ready to throw your old action camera in the bin? Will the Osmo Action 6 finally capture your epic moments with the quality they deserve? Before you close this video, tell us in the comments, what is the one feature, 8K, 1-inch sensor, or variable aperture that makes the Action 6 an instant buy for you?